Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create your dashboard and Smartsheet account. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the Smartsheet account, and after going there we have to click on the home section, and after clicking on the home section you will be able to see this option. So we have to click on the plus, and after clicking on this, as you can see, has the option for the dashboard. So we need to click on the dashboard. So let's click on this, and now we need to provide the name. For example, I'm going to write the team dashboard here. So we have to write the team dashboard name here, and then simply we have to click on the OK. And after clicking on the OK, it will take few seconds in generating your dashboard. It's up to your internet speed, so we need to wait. So as you can see, now it's here. Now simply what we have to do, we have to click on the add widgets. So let's click on the add widgets. Now we need to add the widgets in our dashboard. For example, what you want. For example, I want to add the charts. So let's click on the charts. If you want to add date, you have to click on the add date. Which type of things you want to add. For example, I want to add this design, and let's click on the OK. And after clicking on this, we need to wait for a few seconds until it load. And after adding this, you just need to click on the OK, and after clicking on the OK, as you can see, now the sheet is added. In this way you can add your sheet. So I'm going to cancel this, and after cancelling this, let's go to the back, and after going to the back, as you can see, we have to click on the pillars. And now if you want to add a report or the title, if you want to add the title, you have to click on the title. As you can see, now the title option is here. Now you can write whatever you want. For example, I'm going to write the title here. Now let's cut this again, and if you want to add any kind of other widget, you can also do that. The rich text and the image, if you want to add image, as you can see, the image icon is here. So in this way you can add the widgets in your dashboard. You have to click on the plus icon, and all widgets are provided here. So in this way you can create your dashboard and add the widgets. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.